I'm going to show you a quick and easy snack for kids using watermelon. I've got my little helper Ruby here today, and we're going to make some watermelon fries and serve it with a delicious berry yogurt. Hey Ruby, I hear you like to cook at home. What is your favourite thing to cook?
My favourite thing to cook at home is usually strawberry and vanilla swirl cupcakes.
Yum. Okay, you ready to get started?
I sure am.
Excellent. First up, we're going to cut the rind off the watermelon. So I'm going to place it on its side, and I'm going to get a chef's knife. You really want an adult to do this because it's a bit tough. And I'm just going to trim that off so we can get some nice watermelon slices. Do you like watermelon?
Yes. I usually like to eat it in triangles on a stick so it's easier to eat.
Do you freeze them?
Yes.
They make great ice blocks, don't they?
Yeah.
What's your favourite thing about watermelon?
That how it's really juicy, and it's my favourite colour pink, and my name's Ruby and it's ruby red.
Oh, that's pretty good. No wonder why it's your favourite fruit. Now, I'm going to cut these into little thin slices about 5 millimetres thick, and then I'm going to give them to you, and you can cut some up and help me. So we're just going to cut it down. Do you know how to carry a knife properly, Ruby?
I know how to carry a knife, so you hold it by the handle and you point it down.
That's it, and we never run with a knife, do we? No, that's right. Now, I'm going to give you this knife, okay? And then what I want you to do is to cut little thin slices, and they're going to be our watermelon chips. When you're cutting watermelon, you really want to put your fingers pointing up.
Yeah.
And then just slide the knife down, and you want to keep those fingers right out of the way. And if you're keeping your fingers up straight, you can't hurt them. So can you have a go and show me with your fingers up? Okay, so keep those fingers. That's it. That's the way to do it. Well done. Ruby, can you just put the last bits of watermelon on the plate for me, please?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks so good.
Yeah.
Are you excited to eat it?
Yes.
Now, do you remember what we were going to serve with the watermelon chips?
Yes, raspberry and coconut yogurt.
Great, excellent. This is the yogurt mixture. There's some raspberry on the bottom. Can you swirl it nice and gently through the yogurt?
Yeah.
Hold on to the bowl and then get down nice and deep and swirl it. Yum, that looks good. Excellent, thanks Ruby. Let's pop that there. Yum, this looks so good, Ruby. Let's eat. Yum, what do you think?
It's amazing.
For more kids' recipes, head over to our kids cooking playlist here. And to make sure you don't miss out on any of our videos, click here to subscribe.